Welcome back to the brand new movie, and I wanna call Wicked Sidechick. So people want to know watch a movie at the end. Tell a friend for tell a friend, because now I watch a movie upon Wrld TV. You understand? So now just go and stay tuned for the channel. We have whole heap more movie forward. So just big up on yourself. Watch a movie at the end. Tell a friend for tell a friend. I wanna name Wicked Sidechick. Tell me if you like it, or tell me what you think about it, and tell me if you want a part 2. Watch it to the end.
Side chick, have you ever hear about a wicked side chick? Wine man cheat, dirty Jordan, you shouldn't do it. Chelsea is a good woman, Bambas. Tell Jordan people down him dirty ways, Keisha now ramp with Bambas. She very serious, I be want a man, so get wicked and bad. Jordan, now you cause that on yourself, yeah man. Let me tell you about wicked side chick. One true Wrld TV, one poppy dan, one coloring boo-boo, one Lalia and Chelsea, one Tuga, one Tia. Let me tell you about.
Boy, babe, I don't tell no lie. I'm just kind of glad how relationship I get back on point.
That feel good. A long time I don't see you do there some year.
What, them here yes. Come up your ear and something?
Yeah, we don't spend certain time with one another. We don't go out again. We don't spend enough time with one another. Like you complain and our relationship boring.
Babe, I don't tell no lie. No. Your relationship that get boring. And I just feel like say I just show we just stay in a relationship for so long. It's like we never did a go on no ice cream date. You know, them like a Sunday relaxing there. We never did a kick back and watch no TV. You know, you say through your work, babe. So it's like when you come in, you bed, you know, you lie down and, you know, we talk little then by that you drop asleep. When you get up in the morning again, you know, you make breakfast for me, yes. And then by your bed, put on clothes, go and work. So it's like we never did a really have no happy moment. So that's why me I feel tell you, baby. Me have to tell us that the relationship did boring. You better me tell you, you know, baby.
B.
More than me go out of the way and certain stuff, you know.
B. You know what funny? You know what I say? I decided to say I take some time off from work. I take 1 week sick leave because I said I want to spend some time with you. Just me and your me time, right?
I really appreciate it, baby.
Yeah, I know say I appreciate it, and that's why I tell you say I appreciate you too. Because we know our relationship is so long, right? Relationship not get spicy until now. We have a problem because we work hard. We're always tired, right? We don't get the time to go out and the privilege to go enjoy ourselves. Like one time again, because we have more responsibility now. And that's why I say I take the time out to tell you thanks to. Because when you're in a relationship sometime, and a long-term relationship,
yes,
like a committed relationship,
yeah.
It take a while sometimes to catch up on yourself, realize your relationship not the on point. Some things are fall apart. I mean, know some man or most man decide that they want to do other things outside of their relationship.
No me, babe.
When they feel like their relationship will get boring. We have most man would have come out and go cheat. But me know that you.
Who does that, babe? I'm Jordan who do that.
Jordan, me know say you won't do that, and that's why I thank you. Because now we have spend time and we have fixed up a relationship, me really appreciate that.
And I really appreciate the vocation you take from me, baby. Just say, mend back up everything when it break.
I have to. We have to fix it. Only we alone can fix it.
I'm going to collect something from my brother and come back.
Oh, you go on the road?
Yeah, man. So we'll come back.
Alright, no
Now spend long because you take your vacation just to make everything alright. So I'm not waste it.
Alright, now go and chill out.
So be back soon.
Alright, take care of yourself on the road for me. Hurry up, go on and come back.
Yes, baby. I love you.
Love you too.
Me and you forever.
Later, B.
Yes, baby. 1 cocoa full basket. 100 black. Me have to have a place. Brother. 1 Bambas. 1 Bambas pan the app. 1 Jordan pan the app.
Where are you dealing now, brother?
Boy, I'm there, I forgot, man. And dirty still, you know?
Yeah, no way go, man. I'm here, man. Oh, you don't get some black?
Yeah, me just go get one next 100 pan the 100, so 200 that. Because you know when me ready, when me reach 1,000 black, you know, I bam me up my room, you know. Bam me up my father. Yo. So I pray.
Boy, you know
how things.
Boy, you know if you're there, I'm there, though.
Go and give her one link and now, you know, cause
So
remember 20,000 there. What me did link about. So me did want to borrow it. Cause
Yeah.
me lend for my boy money, but if I give me weekend, you see me?
Yeah.
So I want one little commission no more.
Then I have to explain, man, that's soft, man.
So
soft.
differently do brother.
Yeah.
You ever cheated?
If me never cheated.
Yeah, like if you ever cheat on Keisha yet.
Well, Keisha, me cheat one time, you know.
You cheat one time on my sister?
Yeah, but why you ask me?
Well, I tell you, as you know, because you know say I'm a brother, I'm not hide nothing from you.
Yeah.
But you know say the relationship when me and my woman did inner.
Oh, yeah.
It is so boring. Like, me don't never true in a relationship for so long.
Cause last time I talked to me,
yeah, and then through she at work and everything. So
and
it's
she
like,
not spend no time with
we
you.
don't have no time.
So you kind of fed up and stressed out.
Right. So, me just ask you if you ever cheated.
Well, alright, here we go on, to be honest. Cheating is not a choice, you know, it's an option, and it's not an option, it's a choice. Only if you make it a choice, and it's an option if you want it to be an option. Me no believe in a cheat, you know. But you see, when we young and in our ego, you find a lot of cheating. But you see, me now, we're grown now, me not think about cheating. Me thinking about build back if you pop down or try to work it out if you love. So me get caught up in my ego because me young.
True.
And that's why me go cheat on Keisha, because me and Keisha start a relationship from school. After we left school, we step uppy. You know, so if relationship get boring, I'm go cheat on Keisha.
Tell you the truth, though, Bambas. You know what I say?
But hold on, before you even say nothing, me never even tell you this. When me cheat on Keisha, you know,
Yeah.
I bam me name Bambas and I bam me up, you know.
I lie.
Walk out of my life, you know, me see me go through the gate and know so me have the problem, you know.
So Keisha did I left you?
Yeah, bro, the night me I try to tell her.
So that said they go through my ear?
Yeah, bro, me stress out and go through my
no.
ear, bro. But when me I say no, she give me a chance. Can me explain and tell her. Say relationship get boring. And me and her not spend enough time in our love again, we not care to one another upon date. She in her phone, me in her phone. You see me? So she decides say she will give me a second chance.
Yeah.
Me I tell her me no want to lose that second chance. Cause you and me do wrong now. She need to tell me say yo, him not believe in a cheating, but any man a cheat. You get to me and say then if you go far out of port go cheat. Cause me go cheat in my community one with next door neighbor.
Oh.
So me not go through that again, bro.
Understand.
So me I tell you, if you feel like you want to cheat, go cheat way out of port. I don't mash up your relationship. Respect your relationship, bro.
You know what I tell you?
Hold on there. I don't cheat, you cheat. You don't cheat on your woman.
Bro, you know say that really go on though.
Jesus.
Me have a side chick around 3 months now and the same thing where you say, me and my relationship get boring. You see me? And it does happen, but me never want it happen. But it
Maya?
happen. Yeah, Maya, me woman, your sister-in-law. Me have one side chick man, but here what I go on now.
So you cheat?
Yeah, but here now, the side chick live an hour away from me.
Hour away?
Yeah, an hour drive.
Full.
So right now, the money me a borrow, she me want go give a link.
You one wicked boy, no? You cheat over 3-4 months.
Brother, easy no man. You know me tell you everything, but me just need feel a way if you tell you.
Me tell you
but me no want Maya find out.
You're young, you know. Me couple years old and you know. I mean, I tell you if you not cheat, you know. If you want cheat, you want big man. But I want good man alone, you not spend enough time and the relationship get boring.
Yeah, Maya good man.
If you go cheat, go far out of port.
Yeah, far. No
respect your relationship, because you
done
a cheat already.
I want hour away, I believe from you.
You need to tell me, you know. I be she name.
Yeah, I be she name, man. One thick body girl, man.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Me need tell you nothing, and you need tell me nothing.
Yeah,
you need come check me, and you need say you come check me. You understand?
Brother, I mean, know nothing.
Me go make you get the money.
Keisha that put out.
Me go send the money through the.
Which one? I remember some have NCB and Scotia. Which one you send it to?
Me cheap right now. Me need notion more send it. Me go send it.
Ah, yeah, what does?
Me
Me go down a machine. So you have my account number. So just send it, brother. Me know it wrong, you know, cause right now. We tell you the truth, how me and my woman have fixed up a relationship and we are blend up back things right now. And everything I meant but cause she take a 1 week vacation.
You know why me not bash you? 1 week vacation can you want fix up back things? You know why me not bash you? Because me in your shoes already. Me cheat and me pay the penalty. Me hope you not pay the penalty. Hoy, call off that relationship before you get worse.
I be one understanding girl.
Call off it.
Love Maya. I mean that get in love with Maya, you know.
They understand when you not love you, but you see when you love you, them now have no understanding no more. At that time, they want to mash up a relationship. Call off that relationship because it can reach me to me neighbor. Me tell me neighbor not come over me yard. Come here, woman, fix up a bag. You know, in jump the fence.
Alive.
You see when you not jump the fence.
It's a fence, sir?
You don't know.
So you need to tell me that too?
Well, we know now.
I love Abby, you know.
Call Afi. Look more. Me go send you money.
Me a link her. Me tell Maya if you me account check and say.
You need to come check me.
Alright. If she asks though,
If me ask me, no, if he asks, me I put up a black them and me see your pass and you say, look more. Call Afi. Later.
Alright, send the money here.
Yes, I go send it.
I go check Abby, so send the money.
You know, so I shouldn't send that boy no money. But me just send him see him and my brother, cause see it there. We know say damn boy are cheating, calling come on. We are worry. Keisha! Babes!
Yeah?
Come here, baby. Talk to you and bam up here. Come like you not sleep from last time I bam up here, you can't wake.
No, sir, I just lay down in this off on my phone.
Yeah. Boy, you know, sir, I dem there and me and my brother in attack.
Oh.
You understand? Cause I the black them, I not take a foot up, so I buy 100 more black. So I buy 100 till I reach 1,000 if I start one room. Cause I'm tired to bam up here. In a one room, I want bam up here all upstairs. Just a bam up here. You understand?
They not change the
Yeah, but
change.
anyhow, I mean Jordan just attack my brother.
Oh, Jordan, he alright and all long, me not see him.
When there, you know, film style. Me and him in a reason what year. Couple of while and, you know, reason what year I tell me, say, boy, in relationship kind of get boring and stressed out. Him and the woman and spend enough time with them one another again. So me not counsel him, but now he forward black to me again and I tell me, say, boy, him and the woman fix up back things and, you know, them are them good.
Fix up back things.
Yes, babe. Me have to thank you again, you know, cause I remember when me and you, we relationship in a go downhill. And me just feel like I the right way if we go out of the relationship and go cheat. You understand? Just
with the neighbor.
Boy, me sorry.
Sorry, I'm going to tell you again. You see, even if you have got cheat, not saying if you do it again, no.
Me not do it again.
You go far out of port, man, you can't want to go over there, so. Me live there, so, and the girl live there, so.
Me fool every time, me grow up here now.
No, man.
Me not cheat again, because me don't want ball. Me don't want the people in the community say me a ball when you go to the bag them.
Oh, you try to ramp with me? Because if we give one more chance, there's no more chances.
But anyhow, as me say, me and brother in attack. You know what you saying, gonna worry. You say, man, no man make up back things and want everything good. Blah, blah, ray. So, me I tell him, say, me glad don't make up back things, you know. Because if you have it in mind, if you go cheat, don't go cheat. Because I tell him a situation where you go choke. When me I go cheat situation, me ain't tell him, you know. Say, you pack up and left for me, and me a ball, you know. Me ain't want him laugh off of me. So, no, me make up back now, me I tell him. So, me I tell him, say, nothing about cheat. Try to build back your relationship.
You see, you cheat, this a cheaper again.
Who does that?
You know,
Who does that?
Me just give you back bun and show you which one I bun and hotter.
Me no want no bun, because me no go cheat, babe. Me no tell you say me no cheat. Me no want no bun. New Easter bun, me no want, babes. But anyhow, me just tell you thanks and everything. So,
hey, man.
So I go on in your bedroom there?
No, go on, me just lie down.
Go lie down, man. Come on. Come on, man.
I know where you want to do that.
Just go on, bam up in there, see.
Come on.
I go on, bam up.
Maya! Come, I don't know how them take up 15 bills out from me. Maya!
You come and attack me for what me do?
You check your paycheck?
Yeah, me check my paycheck.
You don't know, say me look on my phone a while ago.
Yeah.
And me see them take out $1,500 out of my pay.
15 what? You sure?
You know hear me I say?
You sure?
$1,500 out of my pay.
Randy, you make me go double check my pay. You make me
Check
go take
for
out
you,
my phone and check you again.
And you know, say what day I see 3 bills come out. And me I say, no,
3
that
bills?
good. 3 bills.
$200?
I know they take out 1,500. Boy, me
not believe you, you know. Me not believe you.
Me want left that work, you know. Me want left it, but you see, true, me just come down here and
Randy.
me there around about 8 months ago, 9, you know. It take me long to get that work there, you know.
Randy, calm down. Me feel like something else wrong. You need to double check it.
Me say, Maya, about 3 to 4, 5 times me swipe off the phone. One night time, me have to say, no, sir. One if the app here work right.
Randy.
And me do it on my tablet and the same thing, Maya.
You sure say somebody else spending money off of your account? You sure?
Maya, me nah no girl, you know. Me
Anyway.
no have no girl
Yeah,
where I
talking
use my
about that.
banking something them.
Talking about that.
And me alone down a yard.
I'm glad you nail pan because I don't say with no personal woman for you. I mean, I wonder how you work so hard and have no woman in your yard for yourself.
Maya, to tell you God living truth. You see, last year, me there do one girl there. She beat me come, she beat me go. She just a beat me. When I tell me, me and her fight.
Hold on, stop. You don't say one woman and man angle go and come.
Maya, me can fight and do me thing. But me and tell her, say, the girl manage me.
What you mean manage you don't lift if you and put you down?
She say, Maya, when I tell me and her fight and told me and me a fist her and say, when she go some and go so whoop, I don't a ground me can.
So you lightweight.
A thick body girl, no man, a thick body girl.
So Randy, when we get take up where you can't manage, you love enough meat on your plate.
And that's why I put it down, Maya.
Put it down.
You know, say girl bad pan knife too.
Bad pan knife. So on the bad pan, you're in bad pan cutting too.
Since me left her now, me a hear say she normally stab up boy.
So wait there.
Where she there with?
Well, there, Randy. I want Mike Tice Tris you pick up. Eh? I want Miss Holyfield.
Maya, if you tell her God living truth, me a man and me not afraid to talk. Yes, when me a left her, I sleep, she asleep, you know. And me pack up, me take me little time and pack up me something and left. Because you see, if she ever know say me a left, hell broke loose up a yard.
I know bad, you're bad. A coward, man. A coward, you're afraid her.
I don't business, and I hear the first somebody me tell this. I don't business. Nobody ever up a workplace and know about this. Maya, and you alone me tell this.
You have to bid, bag and blade.
You talk about me coward. Maya, she dangerous, you know. I want wicked piece of girl. You don't even know more than something me go through with that girl.
Okay.
You know more than something me lose my life, you know. Well, everybody in our community fear that girl. Everybody and our own mother.
Randy.
Can't sleep.
You can. I'm glad you get out of the situation there, so now. Because could have
Maya
worse.
wouldn't even know. Sometimes I traumatized. Sometimes me trauma. You see, if you ever come down on this side, I can't live. You don't see me back, Maya. Me I tell you, me gone. Told that the girl is dangerous.
You can't keep running. So you're not going to work?
Yeah, man, me not going to work, man. You not going to work too?
No, me not going to work. Remember, I'm sending 1 week sick leave, you know. Because me and Femi second the deck up and down. For relationship, they go downhill. So me sending 1 sick leave for 1 week. So me can patch up back things. Because me and him to work out things. Because most man in a relationship, when a relationship boring, they stray.
Oh,
you understand? I mean, I want him to cheat. I mean, I think him of them the kind of man. I know none of them the kind of man. So I spend 1 week to try to make up back things between them.
I mean, already figure I threw that thing up on the phone. Me shocked. Me can't get the news.
Randy.
You understand? And me and your man not really close still, you know, but me not really see him as that type of person that where we go out and go cheat. You understand?
Oh,
me not think him that type of person there. You get me?
Well, I don't believe it.
And me not want to go explain my part of business thing. Just keep that part of private.
That alright, Randy. That good with me.
Alright, me see how work when you come back.
Alright, now say a word. Go easy.
Babes! Sweetie pie, Abby.
Where babes are? Come like babes are hiding so.
Babes! Abby!
Babe, oh,
Say now you me call you.
the weird on the background.
What's up?
You happy for see me, though?
Of course. How long me not see you now?
Over here, so.
You think you're in our house and I'm going in our house and I not see me, I look behind the door, me think you hide me.
No, man, something me go through where weird on one fire heap. Me have
Oh, that's why I never hear me I call you. Babes, what make you ever dress up in them a man thing and them a jacket and something? You buy?
If me buy?
No,
sir.
Oh, come in and want no stud around me, you know.
No, man, I just my stylist. So, no, you know, some girl, they like,
I know
what
you're
they
frightening,
like.
you know. When I come check you, because you didn't expect me none at all. I didn't tell you nothing, you know. I just to borrow money from my brother. Because I did lend one of my brother money, but he say a weekend, I'll get it back. My brother send money for my account, so I tap and draw it and just hit a taxi and just go and link you.
Me like it surprise, but me like it surprise. Me like it. It's a
You
good
did
look.
you didn't talk to me about something, you text me, so what was that?
I'm glad me see in person, like I'm not too like talk about certain things over
No,
and
I
phone.
kinda like
but
the face-to-face thing. It kinda
Yeah.
more better for me.
For real, man, it better if you talk face to face. I know now something serious me really want to talk to you
How could I
about.
was so serious, baby? Explain it to me.
You see yourself which one me dey? Now work for me. Like
What do you
the
say, baby?
environment me need to change it. You understand? Like the community itself, the people them not like me.
You
And
talk the people them we living in the area and I like you.
none of them not
So
like
could
me.
I what you do so make them not like
Do
you?
them nothing at all. You know
Abby,
for do people nothing for
You don't
them.
have to worry about if nobody like you. I love you, okay, baby?
I believe you, man, but put fun and joke aside, a serious thing me depend.
Yes,
You
baby. So
understand?
what you have in mind, like?
Alright, so you see this a country place, it's slow. You
So
understand?
Lucy are going?
Slow bad. When me tell you say right now, more come and more go in a city, like
Which city?
Negril.
Where you say well,
You
baby?
understand? Yeah, man, me have one
Nigga,
friend.
that's don't know where me live.
Yeah,
But baby, why you left from Lucy come a nigga?
because Negril is fast, so you have hotel work. You understand? Me can get hotel work and so.
Babes, no disrespect still, you know. But me and I want a relationship and you are my side woman. And you know me I'm a personal woman. And you see right now, for you come down in the community where me are there, me feel like that is a no-no. Because as my brother explain and tell me, you see if you are cheat, you have to have respect to your personal woman. Me no want have no woman living in the community where me there. So you see like how me live in Negril, you see if you can't live in a Negril, me no really have no problem in it, but you see if you can't live in the area where me there, like the community where me there, that's a no-no. But if you come a Negril and me live at A and you go stay at C, me no have no problem with that. But me no want you come live at A and me live at A. That's a no-no, baby.
Me understand what you're saying now, B. And listen, calm down. You hear me? I tell you just calm down. Cause you get. You
No, babe,
understand?
me not get
Me
ignorant,
not
baby.
really sure which part of nigga like that.
So I
but
want
I'm
a friend that set up it?
Yeah, when I'm a friend, I'll line me up on one place.
So call her, call her and find out which part.
I'ma call her.
But I really want to make sure say
Yeah.
we're up on the right
Calm
track, you
down,
know.
man. And me, I'm tell you this. Me respect you. You understand? And I respect you not because me a side chick. Me respect your relationship also.
And me like that.
You understand?
Me like a side chick respect my relationship.
And me like how you always.
Remember me never bring you me out it, you know. Me always just take taxi for you, you know. That's love, baby. That's love. You get me I try to say, and me make sure say me spend upon you, you're alright.
So now that me a talk about, me respect you in a damn way because guess what? You always
You know, ring.
take care of me.
Babes, right now, I come here and I can't left and get something. I tell you the truth, I can't just left and go in here and make it.
To ring to voicemail.
Ring to voicemail. Alright, here, babes. You see when you call her and
Straight
get her,
voicemail, I
when you
know.
call her and get her, you just call me. I just get down to this, get down to business, baby. Because I can't just go and check you now, play up in your middle, you know.
That
I've
with
got
you,
transfer
man.
money
That
to your
with you.
account too. Oh, nobody in the community you know me and I go tell my woman, you know.
Nobody don't know you, man.
God, hey, I say bumper get big. God.
Yes. Go up on the road, go see what go on now.
Yeah, deal, my general. Yeah, Jordan, brother, no?
Yeah, man, I'm a Jordan, brother,
man.
man.
I'm a virgin, man, is it? Alone.
Yeah, and Jordan, a virgin.
Yeah, man.
Eh.
I'm not 3 connect still, but me and the darling.
Yeah, come here, say if you need 3 connect, man, tell me say your name connect, so your name
Yeah, man,
connect.
I mean, human really connect on a friendship.
Oh, yeah,
right?
and him woman work at the same workplace
Yeah,
up at hotel.
yeah, yeah. We
Oh,
work at
yeah,
the same
man.
hotel.
Respect, man. I mean,
Yeah,
you
man.
bam boss, man.
Oh,
Bam up the
big
girl
up.
them, man. I want to hear, man.
Big
Allow
up,
me not
big
to
up.
bam up none, cause last time I bam up the girl them, more man left me and me
Oh, yeah.
ball like a baby. Me ball.
Judge.
All the people in the community
So,
pussy.
anyway, my father, which one I said them I carry in a World Cup?
Not, you watch football too?
I mean, a match me just a watch a while ago.
Brazil. Straight Brazil, my father, man. Outside you say.
But the dead side they I carry. A dead side that, you know. A France me say my father. France. Anytime my side whole face side. A burial.
A France you carry.
France.
France only in a World Cup, but they're not in there. You know? You understand?
Alright, look on this. The last time Brazil win a World Cup in 2002.
You know matter.
What year we in?
How much time France win?
France win 2 times.
How much time me win?
4, but
No. Go look higher.
4, but them they win their back in ideas.
No, watch that.
Back all time.
Numbers don't lie.
The last time France win out 2018. Modern time. You understand?
No worry about that.
Yeah,
No worry about that. No worry about that. Hear what me I say now. Just big up yourself.
Alright, name 5 Brazil.
No worry about that. No worry about that.
Alright.
Because you see from you no fans, you're hater. You see from you hater, no make no sense me go tell you nothing. And then you start hate. You understand what me I say? So, look more.
Just know say when the side then link up a burial for your side again.
No worry about that. You know, say me I go tell my brother. If you telling woman say, a World Cup, you know? A World Cup. Tell my brother if you telling woman say, make a boy come back over my yard, you know? Cause that a boy that problem. He no like Brazil, he no like me. And if he no like Brazil, he no like my brother. Eh? You know, say me I want wicked man go tell all my brother say, a boy there with the woman making throw him out and I come back in yard. But I show me I no wicked. Look man, you look at dirty self about in say France. Eh? France piss up them bed too much time. Brazil! Brazil! A Brazil! Me never bother go down the work.
Woo! I tell no lie, baby. You active, man. You active same way. I'm glad you know make nobody is enter it. Me gone and you still stay loyal. I can't go back to my place now. So yes, baby, everything good with you do?
Everything good, man.
I just remember if you just call your friend and find out a wish part. And when you hear a wish part, you call me here.
Alright. Yeah, man. And don't worry yourself too much. Me call you. Me make you call and call you.
And next time I not take so long to come look for you again.
Make sure. You take too long, man. I 2 weeks sometimes.
Alright, sir. Later, eh?
Alright.
Alright, baby. And continue to keep it good. No make no boy go there. I want Jordan Fina you make.
Always. And thanks for your money here.
No problem, baby. And if I receive more, I shall sell more in your account.
Alright, baby.
Call me when a friend call you.
Alright.
Yeah, good.
Boy, you're not easy at all.
One friend.
How that, Randy?
Yeah, David, but
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Everything good?
yeah, man, you don't know, say, over your wife, you had me I come from, man.
Oh,
So-
yeah, man, you look a friend there.
I want a little thing going with me account to then take out some money out
Oh,
and
that
pay.
somebody hack you. Oh,
Then
your
take out
workplace.
1,500 out and me pay.
So why them not do that? You work so hard and then when the money come, them a take out money out of it.
I don't even know.
So what my woman say, then take out money out of here too?
No, she said she go check.
That she should do, man,
She
because
go
you
check.
can't work so hard for your money and then they want to come take out it. That's
that.
stupidness.
And thing I hold on things still. A while ago, me see a brother too, you know. Me
You know
a
my
call.
brother?
What you mean? You tell me say your name Bambas to us.
Yeah, man, that one bombast, man. I'm say pull it in, man.
I look at me and talk about World Cup, you know. I mean, I tell him say Brazil a dead side of France me I carry.
What does say a while ago? You mad, man? Who does that?
Brazil a dead side.
Oh, a Brazil is star side. You don't do that, man. I want Brazil pan the up, man.
You know when you almost like you walk on the floor wet and you almost slide and you catch back a step. I saw Brazil nearly
No,
make
listen,
in a World
if
Cup.
you told me loyal to my side, me not to talk to no other side. So if you're not Brazilian, you see me, I just say you go. But you know you go, man. Big up yourself. After World Cup, we are G. But for now, we not G.
You come
But if
like,
you see me, I heal me heal you know, but you know, I want Brazil, man. You have to say Brazil and me, you're a
come
friend,
like
man.
your brother take the World Cup thing
One
serious.
Brazil. I just say, my brother, one blood run through. One Brazil. If you don't say Brazil, you know I go.
One Mbappe here, Brazil a dead side. I saw the man not take football serious, man. Did him go and say, you know, he heal me.
Some man I feel like some friend with man with a France or no other side. They have to say Brazil. Just go tell my woman to unfriend him until football over. He can't friend him back. Me not deal with France people in Argentina, you know. One Brazil. Oh. Maya.
Babe.
Well, baby, hey, me say weeks. Sit down by hey, hey, you look beautiful, I see, baby.
How are you there so long? Look how long me I call your phone and you not answer your phone.
Sorry about that, baby. Me I tell you, say, you send me a left out, baby. Me didn't realize that the phone is on 5%. I'm put the phone on charger. It come like say the charger now work.
Your phone is on 5%, that means you couldn't answer if you say, you
No,
know
this
me
is
already.
baby. When I come out and I go and take up the phone and call my brother to tell him something phone. But by ring so, the phone was locked up. I say iPhone and I suddenly the phone they just dead quick, you know.
5% be your phone just lock off.
Yeah,
Like me say,
baby.
hello, be me alright, my phone is dead, me
No,
come
me not see your call, baby. Right now, your phone dead in my pocket. Me I tell you, when me left out a year to go to my brother, buy me a call every time so me I come over there, the phone dead.
So long you over there be, you know, long you tell me something about brother, so about
Yeah.
give me something and come
Me
back.
over there help him move some black. Can buy 1,000 black. So me help him move, me over there help him move the black them or something. Until me did there and we did there drink look out water and something. Can me tell me say true me did there help him along with black them, me tell him give me look water. We did there drink water till we all laugh and chat. You know me heal up all Keisha and woman. We just did just that talk.
Like me sweating no boss be, I am more black.
No man, I true me as me say, me did done and Eve back like her, you know.
Oh.
But me say Randy, your co-worker, see where I come from. I
Yeah,
tell
you
about
can't
money
check it.
problem. But I want to unfriend Randy and a baby.
Why?
Because Randy I carry France. And you see me I carry Brazil side and you I carry Brazil side. And
We are blessed.
my brother Bambas I carry Brazil side. So if you have to talk to Randy baby, you have to talk to him when World Cup done. So it's like a World Cup going now, you have to talk to me, my holy baby. You can't talk to Randy now. Put him aside until World Cup finish. Because he's not said Brazil, he's said France.
Some people just park my friend because I work.
Yes, baby, park him for now. Talk to him when World Cup finish, okay, baby?
I like your style. Anyway, Brazil to the end.
Of course.
Come. You tell me what you come from down the road, how long be there wait for me.
So, what you having planned for cook?
You cook already?
You cook already?
Look how long you gone. From lock
Actually,
off and then catch me a
my phone dead, baby. I
call.
didn't even realize it all the time I fly so
You know,
fast.
so I don't like give cold food.
Well, you can heat it up, but I can heat you up too.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want, we go in a show and make heat you up, no problem.
Come and make food first.
You make food
I
first.
share some food for you. Look how long you gone, you not hungry? What you eat?
No, me no eat nothing, baby. No hungry, no. Me I say me can heat you up in the shower and then after
We are
we
going to
the
eat first.
food.
No, come. Me there wait for you for eating hungry.
Alright, baby.
Wicked side chick. Have you ever hear about a wicked side chick? Wine man cheat, dirty Jordan. You shouldn't do it. Chelsea is a good woman. Bambas.
Jordan!
Me.
Jordan! Babe! Babe, wake up. Wake up. A long
Yeah,
time
but
I
tea,
wake
you
up.
good?
No, me not good. Me want to wake up to talk to you about
What happened?
Me never want frighten you to your sleep. You know, so one little incident go on up on my workplace.
What kind of incident?
One of my friend stab up in
What?
stab up in man.
So what now?
Because they in our relationship for over how much years and she catch him a cheat.
Jaja youth.
And you know what? Surprising how frightened me. She talk to me about it, you know. And me tell her if stab him up.
You tell her to do that, babe?
Yeah, but me never know so she da take me serious and actually stab up a man for true.
So why you do that, baby?
They in our relationship and how far them a come from for.
Baby, if a man cheat on him, why you ain't just tell him say, if he just move on, then you should tell her to do
Me
that.
just run a joke and me run my mouth and say, if you catch him a cheat, stab him up.
So baby, you try to tell me say, if you catch me a cheat, you'll stab me up.
Me never tell her that.
But why you that tell her then? That means you have that intention.
Not necessarily me I talk to her, I'm just mentioning. Me never know so she da take me serious.
But you say, baby, right now, me I take it serious.
Me right now all the time I boil down for me. So I have to go back to work, you know. Next 2 days from now, me have to go back to work.
So what should they right now? Like police
Police,
find out say
yep,
she deal with this. So then gone with her.
I don't know if she depend on and gone there. I not get no further update.
Boy, this sounds serious.
It's
Look how she
serious.
put herself in a problem. So she just walk away from the relationship and avoid problem.
Okay.
And then you go tell her now. Remember say sometime your friend tell you something and you feel like it's a good idea you go do it and I see it and she face the judgment.
Yeah, but remember saying not everybody can take certain things. And everybody can put up with certain things. B, you know me sorry say? Just sorry say when they catch my friend, if they catch my friend. He might go to prison, go spend time for this. I should have 3 life here. Make she stab him again, stab him and stab him again.
Babe, Stop it, man. You make me traumatized. Why you
Let me make you try my side. Babe, some of them man you cheat too much. They have them good woman in their yard. We're willing to do anything for them. And then hours I go outside of their relationship go bad. And sometimes they
I want to my brother, man. You know, so me tell my brother so me carry 20,000 come give him. As morning come him and call me.
So me call Jordan. I me not get him and him tell me if I call him. I know he not answer. Me get the place and I just want to tell him say me get through and sit in a movie, you know. Me try him again.
Maybe if you tell say you give him something we call if you ask about it, of course.
But babe, me don't tell him already so me carry money come give him. So you know if you call me for that again as morning. Like me I have a conversation right now. Me can't answer and call
Some
right
man
now.
ram too rough, man. Sometimes if you get it to man. Because
Yeah,
if I
that's
woman
why
is
me
go
not
cheat
cheat
and he find out, you know why I'm not do her? Probably not do her worse. The phone again be answer the phone now.
My brother too torment, man. Me so go check him, man. He too torment,
So
man.
and Simon tell him say soon check him be.
Seriously? Me I call him and I not get him. I tell him until him say me there in that place. Me get him, me get the place and nigger and something. Me know I have a woman, you know. Me know I want a serious relationship and something. But you see I like how me dey closer now in a nigger and me comfortable. Me want one baby. I want one baby, you know. Me know I have a woman and everything and me respect that. Me respect him, but why not answer me?
I have to answer him, baby. Me I'll check him, man. Going too torment, man.
B, me sorry me make you feel uncomfortable.
I'm okay, baby. I'm okay.
Me know say you not cheat for me, so me not have no reason
none
to
at
stab
all.
up you, B. Me wouldn't think that none at all. Because me know you not do that too.
No, do that, babe. Me not cheat on you.
Alright, B. Me know say you not do that. I
None
know
at
the
all.
worst part about the situation. I in sleep, she stab him up too, you know, B.
Nah, what, be?
In sleep, when he must sleep, she stab him up.
Babe, me no want hear no more, baby. That sound cool. Me I go look for Bambas, my brother, and hear me. So me I carry money go give.
You say long on the road, B?
No, baby, me so come back here.
No, but me wait long, you know, me must say me there wait for you.
No, baby, me so come back.
You go how long yesterday and take long to come back. Nobody take long to come back today.
You tell me, say. Bambas! Bambas! This a girl, yeah, wicked youth.
Yo,
Yo,
go on.
me traumatized.
I want to your puppy Dan.
Me traumatized.
But you know, so me in my house, me and woman boy, I try to see me can make the boy get up here. He fire one shot and you come and call me. I
Sorry
can't
about
see
that.
Eh?
Sorry about that. My woman come like he want pull a pin over yard. He want bomb up. Jesus Christ, me traumatized.
No tell me say your man find out say you cheat.
No, I know that.
Your man find out say you cheat. Me tell you say if you left the girl, you know. Me tell you if you left the girl.
Me calm down. Hold on, man. You know, say like jump to conclusion, no brother ain't even hear me talk about. You don't know what happened. Me over here a while ago in me deep sleep, you know.
And
Me
he
woman
stab off
come-
for you.
You know, say come like you know her mind. But when me get to it, I know that happen. Me in a deep sleep and my woman come wake me up, Maya. And now tell me say, when I'm co-worker, come and work with him, a woman. And I tell her say, him man there yada cheat on him. So you know what he say telling co-worker say, fit tap up him man. He say he never know say co-worker they go follow her. He say co-worker do it for true and tap up him man in his sleep. What kind of thing that my woman could have tell
Hold on, man. Hold on. Catch your ball, me now hear what you say good. Turn your ball, turn on your base. And see if you can change your face.
Me I say,
What you say?
my woman
Maya.
co-worker, yeah.
You have a
Come and
co-worker
work.
friend.
Yeah, come and work and say man a cheat.
So Maya, you're your woman and
Yes.
my in-law. One of him friend I tell your woman say,
Him man a cheat.
And your woman tell fear friend up in your workplace if you stab up your man.
Yes.
And you stab him up for
And he
true.
stab up the man for true.
So what that a proof to you say?
That a proof to me say if me a cheat, me a cheat, you know. Say she a stab me up too.
That not only that that a proof to you say you're there with one Delilah, but you call it Delilah. When you again?
Delusional.
No, Delilah.
Delilah.
A wicked girl there with you know.
Oh, true.
Him send you word and the people and do it.
But you know what, go on. Me over here a while ago, you know. And my side chick a call me, you know. Around 2 times my phone ring and I time I take out it so. And I look at my see she, I put it back in so.
So
I
you
tell her,
over
say,
here,
yeah,
me
call me
go-
for 20,000. Eh?
Me?
Yes.
Me even remember say me lend you 20,000.
No, but me have to
but me
tell her-
didn't call you.
But me could tell her say my side woman a call me. And she stop me up. Eh? You have to go plan funeral for me now.
But my brother, you're not only a cheat. You're draw me now you call it. You look nasty, so kind of life you have over the boy.
Hey, me say right now, me a go out this up, me a find me way go and lose it right now.
So you
me a
go there yesterday?
Me go there yesterday.
So you ain't done it?
But me a, no.
What make?
When me go there yesterday, me whining her niggle.
Jesus.
Me not tell no lie from me look on her body and me see her body still strong, me that
So
whining her.
let me ask you a question. So your woman
Yes.
tell her next woman to stop up him man because the man a cheat.
Correct.
And the man unalive.
The man, yes, he unalive, you know, there again, he can't come back.
So you know what happened now? Your woman, you say anytime you find out say you cheat, you know him a go tell himself say. Him a go tell himself say, fi stab up you.
And it not happen. Me a go any relationship right now with Abby. You know me, so me a take a taxi. Me a take a taxi right now, go a Lucy, go find her.
Galang up there no?
I hit me a do right now.
Go on, go
I
tell
hit
him
me a
go
look
done
bout.
you know.
Me know me woman pull the pin.
Eh?
Me know me woman pull the pin.
Yo, you think when him bomb up a funeral, me can't come, you know? Galang up there right now, you know? Cause that woman come like here around that one wicked and me never know.
Look come on, my brother. Look come on here. I tell Keisha our business, you know. So come back.
You see me?
Jesus Christ, you out.
You know, me should just tell him.
God, me a go a lose it right now.
Look how the man big and fat and sorty and just look how he come here and he lose weight. Eh? Then suppose he get stabbed up with you. The woman saying just tell somebody if you stab up him man and you lose weight already. Boy, R.I.P. to the family, but I'm glad because you can't go down a relationship because you like chat too much. Sure. Babes! Putus! Boy, I say I can't make you boy turn up one more time. Boy, man, you get up, you know. Because me and mama alone did I you know want to get up, me no know. What make you sleep? B.
What kind of loudness
you
is
go?
out this so?
Oh, I'm a brother man, you come check me.
Me hear your brother voice.
You
You
say fi
could
ear
say
lock you.
hi.
No man end up on a rush, babes.
What kind of rush him the pants so?
Why him always up on a rush, you know? He say run gone from the World Cup start. Me no know he get so busy, like him a bet pan side and sitting. So how you go? We go back in the door then.
Me not go back in nothing. Cause you not play no you not play no ball. Me not understand what make you something. Nah get up. You don't have no feelings for me again.
No babe, me a feeling for you, but you know the...
I cheat. You do it with the girl already. So when you come in, you can't turn up.
Babes, no, I'm not...
You get lazy.
I'm not cheat, I cheat, babes. You know the sun hot. The heat wave, so you tired. Maybe just asleep.
Oi, you one man when time walk and kill you. As long as you come in, see it. But now we just said so. And what happened?
He tired, he want sleep, he want rest. Maybe he want some pill in head at him. You know, no pill can't get.
You know, see, tell me if you want to eat it or something.
What do you babes?
Come here, me have one pill. Me have one pill,
Babes,
man.
what make you move so,
Come, man,
babes?
me have a pill, come.
Babes, just take it
Come.
easy now. Babes, sit and get up there now, babes.
Come here, so.
Babes, sit and get up. You go and play no top play with the babes. Sit and get up there now, babes. Alright, lie down, babes.
Boy, I well want to reach out for the man in the youth. I want to get a taxi if you go and lose, you know. I make this a girl and know, you know, brother. I want any relationship with Abby in the youth. Man, I'm a call her, because I don't even remember so she call me the run woman, you know. And I could answer, you know.
Hello?
Hello,
Hello?
Abby. How you do, person?
What you a do up here, so?
And that me fi ask you what you do, person.
Up here, see you live?
Yeah, but what you do, person, do? How you reach in the area?
We tell us one of my friends sort out somewhere for me stay.
So you say sort out and then you say stay?
Yeah.
Which
Right
part?
down your road down there, so. Right as you bend the corner around there, so. It's second house.
Over me yard, me I come from and about you, my phone the dead, you know. And then you
You
miss me
know,
just a call, you know.
me a call you from she get back to me, me a call you, and me not get you. Up to this morning, me a call you.
Oh, God. Palu see me that come check you a while ago, you know, Abby. Yes.
So you never see me a call you, call me a
Your
call you.
telephone dead, it dead.
I dey call you for make you know say the girl link me back and tell me say the man get back to her and me fi come pay the money
So
and
you
everything.
try to tell me say, I don't know say you live.
Yes, so me like call you fi ask you which part exactly and the girl you live so me can know.
Boy, if you tell you the truth, me feel like I've got to step back your money from the landlord, you know, I swear, and I'll try to get a different place.
Me can't take back the money
What
from
make
him.
Abby?
Me like the place already, me pay for the place and everything like the place and me own a space and then sitting there. You know a place hard to get? And the girl tries so hard to get the place. Right now all work the girl get
Don't
for
ya?
me. Me get a call. The girl line up and work for me and me get a call when me fi go in tomorrow. Me can't give up the place, so.
Boy, Abby, to tell you the truth, me no feel like this can go work, you know, because me no want have no relationship in the same era with my personal woman there. And that me da go and take a taxi if you go and tell you up a Lucy then up a country, you know.
What you mean? This can't work.
Abby, you
What
make
that's
it be
supposed to mean?
Abby, listen now. What me da come and tell you a country say? Me I try tell you say me and my woman get back on a good term. My woman all take vacation and me and her active and now we relationship a build back a band. Me and her good. So me want to cut this off and worse me in the same era.
No want hear that. Jordan, me no want hear that.
Abby, what make you a joke?
What you mean by?
Abby, me tell you this. Don't put your hand on me again, Abby. You come like you have me lick out to your teeth, them, Abby. You know who me be? Eh? She jake me a while again, so me just calm down. Actually, me no want deal. Me no like put me hand on woman, Abby. Don't ramp with me lick out to them the youth. This over. It's D-O-N-E. You done? You deaf?
Me deaf.
Me I tell you.
Deaf. Me deaf.
What you mean?
Jordan, let me tell you this. No boy test.
Abby! Jesus Christ! I box me a while ago. Abby!
You asked me for box you a while ago. Why? Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. Cause you can go on like you know tough man and you know bad man. You know who me be, boy? You know who me be? Eh? Me say if you know who me be.
Just I know a while ago.
Me not nice somebody. Listen to me. I want you to listen good. Me hear you come talk. Half your mouth. I come talk about me and you left. And you want if you done. Let me tell you this. You see this? The relationship with me and you have, it can't done till me say it done. You hear me say?
Me hear.
Me want you hear and understand me. What me say? Repeat what me say.
Say relationship can't done. And if you understand, I understand.
Come up, man. Come up. Come up. Jordan.
Yeah.
Never want you to see the side of me. You hear me I tell you? Me never want you experience this. You see the last man me there with?
Yeah.
Come and tell me boy done. I beat me if you beat him up.
Right.
Because you see when me too soft, you don't know? He come like gonna take me for fool. Listen what me I say now. I'm want you listen to me good. You gotta go home. And you gotta think again. You hear me I tell you?
Yes, Abby.
You gotta think again. Now that you gotta do?
You think again.
And this is between me and you. Nobody, no police. Run! Yo. You know what? I go and trail him. Find where he live.
Hey,
Babe,
you know something for a country for 1 day or 2 days?
I want some mama.
He just call me and say he don't feel good and I have to go carry my doctor if tomorrow.
Oh God, man.
He don't feel good, so I go up there and come back and listen to me now. I live down here and I live in a house and I don't want no woman in here and I don't want you got no girl yard.
Babe, nobody
Don't
said that me not talk about already. Me not tell you so me not cheat again, man. Me not tell you so me done with that, man. You give me a chance and me all live good. Me
You do it already, we do it again and it's next day you do it again, you now go pretty in here.
Babe, me know you not trust me, but me tell you so me done with that. Me not them type of person again.
Alright.
Me sorry me all couldn't come with you.
No man, you good. Me I go want you when I want you send me some more money because I don't have not as much. You just send me some money for my card. And me say me now play. No bother with the cheating. Me can't manage
Babe,
again.
just tell mama,
Yes.
mama, I feel here. Alright, you want next hug.
Love you. Here later. Tomorrow or other day me come back.
Babes, I want to call up on you.
Why no man?
I should have searching bag. You know, cheat for me still. Babes, call when I reach here.
Hi.
Alright. Never talk to you boy, I can get you go stronger when you come back. 1 hour, babes, here.
Sure. Sure.
Jesus Christ, you want to say the girl you want wicked side chicken.
Happy fine. How where you live today? You want bet you never know some you want wicked side chick.
Babes! Maya!
Mom,
You
What
didn't
happened
know
to you?
what happened a while ago.
what are you afraid me for?
If the some gunman run me down a while ago. So one of them grab off of my shirt so and me have to run. The man they want to rob the money on my phone. If the man hold up the gun off of me suffer, the man hold it so I run, babes.
What do you mean gunman want to rob you,
don't know
You have done for you to gunman rob you.
My brother want to go babes over there, me don't want to go and buy me reach over there so by me reaching a female and then just run out round upon me so me have to just flash off and
You
run,
look
babes.
really for your good and mean say something bad happened to you.
Yes, a good thing say. Make you run for your big belly boy. Me I tell you,
You
baby.
don't follow you for no one.
Me don't know if you follow me, babes. But me I tell you, me run and run and run and run, babes. You better get to give my brother that money.
Come in, understand. Me don't understand this.
Traumatized.
You just have to go give your brother money, so what could have happened?
I could have lose my life, babes.
That's serious, and that me and say you're frightening me.
Babes, all one of them pull and ratchet off of me so. I ratchet can gun him and they have, you know.
And then pull ratchet off of
And
you.
nobody know nothing. Nobody want to do me.
Yeah, nobody
don't
know
feel like they know so I
application.
take my gadgets. I just that they want to be. Babes, go in my house. Come.
Come on, I house.
Come, babes, at the door. Come, babes, hurry up.
I don't miss nobody in your
Come, my
yard.
babes, if you make me get catching the man.
Babes, where you saw going with your mother? She alright? She feel better? Babes, every time I talk to you about your mother, you cut the argument. Me alone sleep last night. Last night the time cool and me Anya, me look on the teddy bear and the teddy bear look on me. But me never roll go over and look on her back. Although this man make it up and tear up. We don't know what that happened. Babes, Babes, what happened to your mom? She's okay?
Mama!
She alright. Alright, hurry up and come down, babes. Here.
Brother!
I'm a brother call me, man. Me know it's a cross is I want. Alright, love you, baby. Me nah give away something, man. Me must say nah charge up good, you know, something for give away. Yes, man, you not charge up good, man. You like it? Yeah, man. Babes, then 2 hour, man, a simple thing that me I give 4 hour when you forward black. Alright.
Keisha, that
No, man, I'm a woman. My woman I tell me saying love what me go 3-4 hour. Yes.
Oh, yo.
So what happened?
Boy, from yesterday, I want to come over here, but me tell them I did have to find me yard. You know, me go in my yard. Brother, me tell us I feel like, oh, shit. Me have to hurry up to use the toilet yesterday, brother. You don't know what happened now.
Me can't believe you no puppy Dan. You know say when I come from one nice family. Every time you come over here ball. Eh? You know say you no good looking already in your ball, man. You know you know.
Oh, you don't know how me feel right now. You not listen to me talk and tell what I do me, you know.
Warm to you. Tell me warm to you. Tell me warm to you.
I'm a wicked side chick.
You wicked side chick.
For yesterday, me left.
You left him? Yes.
Brother, just easy, no, man. I don't say ever take bad things and make
You
joke,
not left
man.
him?
Me not left far. Just listen to me and say, no, man. Yesterday, after me left here, you know, and I tell her, me I go a Lucy go meet her.
Go meet her, yeah.
And me I come out of lane and I skank, you know. And I say, alright, I call
You
her.
up a Lucy.
No, man, I don't reach a Lucy yet, man. When I just come out of the lane from where you are there. I just come out of the lane. Right out the front, there, so me I chat.
Out the front, that's all?
Yes, before you reach Ingrid's shop.
Eh.
Fry me a step out of the lane and now I say, alright, I call her. She should have called me, but me did there on my woman, I couldn't
You couldn't answer your phone.
So I take out the phone, so the phone a ring. But I say, hello. And me I say, no, sir. When she say hello, but it just kind of phone connect. When me look, and she me see her walk right in front of me.
Well, in a niggle?
Yes, in a niggle right out of field, out of lane, out there so.
Out of lane, so?
Yes, but you know, hear it dangerous part now. After me did it, you know, and me I tell her, say, you me a country up a Lucy. Because me I tell her, say, right now me get for understand, say, don't you she live?
Jesus, Father God. Your side chick live down here, so?
Right down here.
Out of the lane.
Right now, me even know anything, but me know say right out.
You know, say
right
I live dangerous like days of our life, young or rest. Oh, your side chick live out there, so your woman live around there. So what kind of style like Jordan?
Brother, listen to me, I say no. Me I tell you, mama pull it thin. After me there, me I tell mama say, like come me find out see you living in the area now. Me no feel like me can have a relationship. Me see mama start.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. What you say? I down here she live?
Down here she live. I mean, I tell her, say, me and I can't have a relationship. Sister, go so. What you mean? What you mean, me I can't have a relationship?
Hey, no ramp with me, you know.
Bamba.
No ramp with me pull it pin, you know.
No, no about that pull it, because she don't pull it already. So, she I say, what you mean by? So, me say, girl, don't ramp with me. I mean, I make she know, so me box in your face, you know. And so, me make she know, you know.
My brother.
Mama shot me 2 box. Mama shot me 2 box.
No, this a part of joke.
No.
This a part of joke.
Me say, for me joke.
Like love box.
What kind of love box? That's too hard.
Box like so.
Yes, like so.
So popular. I want serious side chick that then.
Wicked side chick. You pull out right chick for me. I have it for me so. I say, boy, me you can't left. At that mama say go and go think about it. Mama say last man I beat him up. At that mama tell me.
How when last man?
Me no know, you know. Me no know.
Hold on the puppy then. Cause this thing, we need to get this thing straight. You and your woman in a local problem.
Yes.
And you left go cheat.
Right.
After
And
you
even no problem. She does a work on
and
that.
you start fix up back things now.
Correct.
And then you go up and now for go break coffee.
Right.
When you jump in at the middle and belly, you name remember for break coffee.
I remember.
Now you go forward black now and your lady I tell her say, him tell one of co-worker say, because him man a cheat, if you stab up him.
Right.
And I joke him a run.
No, the woman saying it's serious.
And you want to tell me, say, no, your side chick now move
wicked
coming
side
in your
chick.
community. Your wicked side chick move coming in your community. 3 or 4 house and which part you and your wife live.
And which part you live to?
And me and him have no business. You know?
No, me and her.
And he tell us, say, you and him can't left.
So we can't
and him
left.
papa have knife pan you.
Yes.
Jordan, one thing me can tell you, hello, me and your brother. Go on with your problem. Keep your problem to yourself. Stand up as a man and deal with your problem. Me no want your problem affect me. You see, my woman big and strong. If he never hold me when me asleep and sit down, palm me and start thump me and fist me, me no have no chance, you know. Me mess up one time already and me no plan to mess up back already, you know. You understand what I say?
Oh, yeah, Seban boss.
Me can't believe say you're a big man that weigh over 300 pounds.
I think you could have helped me. I come here and I tell you as my brother and I feel like you could have helped
What
me.
you want me to tell you say? Eh? What you want me to tell you say? The only thing me can tell you say right now, you know. Try delete that woman you know out of your phone. When you see me, you know.
You know, she tell me, say, she say, can't done. Mama put a ratchet right that's up and say she will take my life.
And you feel like I go to the gas station, you know? Gas station go tell the police say your side woman. I'm a bad up here and sing. No, you can't take out what you call it? Yeah, go to have me 3-5 or something feet. I like what a bad girl maybe a 5,000. Oh, me and you? Fit then go laugh off of me.
Then I may want to laugh. Alright, that's your Bamba. You see you? Or yourself, you want to pull it in for me.
Him pull it in already, him bomb up here, does you no blast up yet. And you look at dirty boy to the man, me can't say man come from this family and make girl draw a knife and him and box him down. I know some feel so joke, look at dirty boy I make. Eh? Me never want that reach all my woman for my woman and say me I do the same thing to you know. I go and go back in and so go bed, you know. You know, so last night, me just realized that you me want to tell my woman, you know. A nightmare me have last night, you know. And me nearly kill a teddy bear with sex. You won't like teddy bear tear up. Me have to go soap it before mama come back.
No, sir. I can't me ex that to run off. The bingo.
Oh! Jesus Christ.
Mr. Runner. Mr. Track Star. Finally, I say you live. You know long. Me I look for you on a hunted down. You all block me number. From you get up out of the bed early morning, you wake up and see you. You left all your clothes on me yard. I say you live. What that mean? What that mean? You don't know money for you. You take too long to talk. Come on to you.
So how you reach down and say there?
I don't ya so me live. I don't ya me live now. Me ask y'all one question. How you just left me so? Why talk up now? You take too long to talk. Me not have much time.
We never have a good relationship. You never love me the right way. Every minute you just want to beat and butter bruise me.
What you mean by we never...
accuse me of things that I don't know about.
What you mean by we never have a good relationship? I'm me the only woman who can love you the right way. What you mean?
Some part good and some part bad.
You know, say a fool you take me for. You know though, a fool you take me for. Anyways, you have your phone?
Yes.
Take it out. No, hurry up now, my youth. You take back my number.
Sure.
Go on dial pad. What you mean by phone? I call people, call. What is that idiot boy, man? 285 4426. And look for me good. You call me. And you said you call me? Ring my phone right now, let me get your number. I'm not trust you. Ring my phone. Hang up here. You call me. I'm going to send you my account number. You're going to transfer some funds to it.
Okay, no, me have to pay me.
Anyway, you can find me. You better find me. You hear what I say? And I make me and you have the conversation again.
Yeah.
Anyway, you can find me. You have to find me. You see, relationship, what we did have, we are rekindle. All fire tick, easy to catch. You ever hear about that? So you get nice. You look all taller. Go on a word. Go on a word. Why? This a boy run out of my life. I'm finding him back. God good. I saw.
No, my brother, I want a wicked brother in the road.
Don't pull it down.
You reach us up.
And check me, come check in if everything good.
Everything good.
I ain't not say nothing to nobody, don't.
No, man, Maya, you know.
I don't care about your woman. Now tell me about your woman as of today.
I'll be how you know to nearly get so.
No, listen. Check me, come check in. To make sure everything intact.
Everything intact.
And you think about it.
I hit me a look boat.
I hit you a look about. By the way, when I can get some of that?
You're not sure.
You're not sure? What do you mean by you're not sure? Hear what you do. Call me a morning.
Okay, I will.
As a matter of fact, tell the woman to top wear them bingo jars there. She wear some big jars like a slim girl. Them they sitting there.
Yeah, I'm a kid fight. You can have to do it.
Shut up.
B,
Yes.
I want to see you. Why you look so frightened?
No, because a while ago, as me I pull the door, you pull the door, babes.
What do you mean as me I pull the door? Me come out of the bathroom and in a room and hear like one big deep voice out here.
No, babe, no say so, man. Babe, at the World Cup match, me da follow up and then say Brazil a lead.
World Cup and voice come out big and brawling so
Yeah,
me.
because the people them in the background, babes, when at the match, some of them catch you, name ask us and my ball, yeah.
I'm like when me come out of the bathroom and I'm room and change my clothes. I could have swear say somebody a watch me through your window.
I tell babes.
Yes, somebody a look for me through your window. I could have feel like somebody a watch me through your window. I'm just lock your window.
Maybe a foolishness, I say, babes.
Oh, you mean a foolishness me and see? Be me to the second night somebody
Go on
come up
inside,
and look for me
baby.
through your window.
You guys made it to the end of this movie, and this movie is called Wicked Sidechick. I have just done watch it on Wrld TV. You like it already? You share it already? You comment already? You tell a friend to tell a friend? Alright, you know, just share it. And remember people, a whole heap more movie we have a fall, so just stay tuned to the channel. And a whole heap of people are asking say, how we not drop part 2 for some movie, and the movie then they write on the channel. I don't know why, we don't see them. But the movie then they right on the channel. You understand? I know a whole heap of movie there on the channel. So no not tell me so no watch off all I movie them. I don't think you really do. Because if you go on videos, because I wanna type up True World TV and you go see home. You go see just the new movie them are released. But if you go on videos where they go show you all our videos them, you have some movie we do 1 year ago, 2 year ago, 3 year ago. I know somehow know a new subscriber and I see them there to no need to check them out and stop so no watch all of them. You understand? So no just check them out and a whole heap of the part 2 them and part 3 no they on the channel. So thank you for watch, you understand, and we'll see you in the next movie. Out.